Today is Wednesday, August 31st, and we are here for another housing market update for Metro Atlanta. My name is Demo.
And I'm Derek, and we are taking a look at key housing stats for the past 7 days as reported to and by FMLS for the 11-county Metro Atlanta area.
Excellent.
All right, you guys ready to dive in?
Yes.
Okay, so here we go. So new listings hitting the market 1,438. Price reductions, those price drops 1,573.
So more, again, than the number of new listings. So second week in a row we've seen that.
Yes. And pending deals, so deals that have gone under contract, we're looking at 1,468. And deals that closed, 1,311.
Okay.
Now, from those closed deals, we get some other key stats that are huge indicators for us here in the housing market, and that is days on market and also the average sales price. So days on market, 21.
Okay. So we were around 18 all the way down to maybe 8 at one point when we were doing these. And we're going to have a little bit of context for you on before the last couple of years of what that days on market looked like. So we'll hit that a little bit later in this episode.
I'm excited about that. Some historical data. You guys are going to love that. And average sales price. Get this question all the time. And looking at it weekly, it is super interesting. But this past 7 days, we're 480,489.
Wow. So right around where we were last week.
Right around where we were last week. And if you're wondering what was the biggest sale here in the 11-county metro area, it was $6.5 million. It was a property located in Buckhead, and it sold for 93% of the original listing price. Cash deal, Demo, 7 beds, 8 bath, 4 half bath.
Wow. So continuing the cash trend minus maybe one of those that we've seen that had a mortgage.
Yes.
The other thing we want to touch on are mortgage rates for the week. Very, very volatile in the mortgage interest rate market right now. It has been for quite a while. Now we're approaching 6. So, depending on the lender, you could see some different numbers there, but approaching that, reach out to your solid source agent for support to be able to be guided in the right direction to find out what you can have as your buying power, really. So for buyers, you're looking at not having to compete, not having to spend $100K over asking price anymore, right? We've seen that for a few months now. So you're seeing more negotiations. For sellers, we are seeing less inventory on the market. And it may sound odd for both of those things to be happening, but we are looking at more of a balanced market like we saw before the last couple of years. And for reference, we're about 21 days on market right now. Before the last couple of years, we were around 41, 44 days on average. And people were buying and selling real estate and loving buying homes and selling homes. So, just to put it in context, the last couple of years has kind of been a tricky time to be able to manage and have reference points for your business and for your clients. And so just make sure you take that into context when we're looking at, really what we're doing and how we're serving the public.
Excellent points. As always, Demo. So please reach out to your local solid source agent because they have even more data. Can you believe that? They can even see coming soon, which is 125. And those are upcoming listings that you cannot see on these big websites out there. So reach out to them, and we look forward to seeing you next week.